T-fal E765SC Ultimate Hard Anodized Scratch-Resistant Titanium Non-Stick Thermo-Spot Heat Indicator Anti-Warp-Based Dishwasher-Safe Oven-Safe PFOA-Free Cookware Set. 12-piece, gray size, 12-piece, style name, Hard-Anodized Nonstick Enjoy reliable cooking performance with T-fal Ultimate Hard Anodized Nonstick Cookware. Its innovative Thermo-Spot heat indicator lets you know when the pans are properly preheated, a critical component to sealing in moisture and delicious flavor, whether saute copywriting vegetables or searing steak. When the pattern in the center turns to a solid red spot, the pan is hot and ready to cook. The cookware's hard anodized aluminum construction heats quickly and offers long-lasting strength, while its warp-resistant even heat base distributes heat evenly throughout for optimal cooking results. Use the cookware on any cooktop, except for induction, PFOA, lead, and cadmium-free. The cookware's durable expert non-stick interior offers a health-conscious option, effortless food release, little to no fat or oil needed, and easy cleaning. The T-fal Ultimate 10-inch saute pan features tall sides and a wide base that make it useful for a wide range of cooking techniques, from browning and frying to saute copywriting vegetables or searing fish. Even more, the pan's vented tempered glass lid traps in heat and moisture, while its silicone stay-cool handles come riveted for strength and offer a secure and comfortable hold. Oven safe up to 400 degrees Fahrenheit, lid up to 350 degrees Fahrenheit, and dishwasher safe. The 12-piece set includes 8-inch and 10.25-inch fry pans, a 5.6-quart covered Dutch oven, and 1.1-quart, 2.3-quart, and 3.2-quart covered saucepans, as well as a nylon solid spoon and slotted spatula for stirring or serving. T-fal E765SC Ultimate Hard Anodized Scratch-Resistant Titanium Non-Stick Thermo-Spot Heat Indicator Anti-Warp-Based Dishwasher-Safe Oven-Safe PFOA-Free Cookware Set. 12-piece, gray. For more info and special discounts, please click the link below.